Now, you won't be surprised to see that there are a lot of different technologies and technology trends that contribute to the overall value that digital transformation brings. This includes, but by no means is limited to, things like social media and how we engage with one another and how we engage with potential customers, mobility and the use of mobile devices and the expectation that our services and service capabilities will be available on those mobile devices. Things like cloud computing and how we can scale and manage our services in ways that allow us to have an enormous amount of flexibility and to be able to pay for services as we need them in a way that helps us respond quickly to changes in market demands. Being able to use big data capabilities to better understand purchasing behavior, customer interactions, to be able to consume feedback from various sources, and to be able to use that to constantly experiment and identify opportunities for improvement. Using capabilities in the Internet of Things to be able to send and receive data from an extraordinary array of different devices, different sensors, and the like. And again, being able to create adaptive practices that allow us to build closed-loop systems that effectively allow us to modify how those devices work based on predefined sets of rules that we might want to follow. And then last, but certainly not least, as we provision all of this stuff, we expose ourselves to an enormous amount of potential risk. And the threats that we face from cyber challenges are very, very real. And so we want to be able to ensure at the same time that we're seeing a proliferation of these digital capabilities and that they become fundamental to the success of our organizations, that at the same time we're balancing those with the ability to manage cyber risk and the ability to establish appropriate controls that are going to allow us to mitigate those risks.